live. So damn close to being green. Here we go. Neo and Intel are flying. I'm about to be green. Look at the markets, man. I could have held on to those 280s on Qs. It would have been degenerate, but we could have held on in hindsight. What did Apple take some, or sorry, did Dime take some Apple calls? Nice, Evo. That's nuts, dude. That's nuts that you're having a good week when the markets are getting wrecked. How did you avoid getting wrecked? What'd you do? Did you shift over to VIX? You're up 33% this week, one of your best weeks since joining. That's awesome, man. You just held on and hedged. Look at Apple, man. It's up 0.5%. What is that, like a 15% bounce off the lows? No, sorry, 10%. 10% bounce off the lows. Incredible. Is Zool in here? Zool's not in here. We were talking about the V reversals. You know why Zool isn't in here, right? You guys got him to fucking drink too many shots yesterday. I blame it on Eileen. That's awesome, Evo. Yeah, man, that I did that as well, and it helped out. When the volatility goes up, man, it's better to trade at the farther away contracts. They help you not get so emotional, right? Not get chopped out as easily. I think my bot is getting bugged a little bit. Let me see. No, it's just getting chopped out. Okay. Making sure that wasn't bugged. Look at UNG, man, up 4%. Look at Tesla, up 2%. Silver, look at silver. Silver's climbing. I like silver here. On the daily, it's got a nice little bull flag. You could probably sell puts below, collect some premium. Yeah, Square has a massive, massive wick. Would have to get back above like 148 to get above a lot of this resistance. Back above 151, you should get 155. Daily pivot is 152. Are you kidding me, Evo? Is that pumping Microsoft? How old is that news? Ridiculous, dude. Add that to my fucking news list. To my bad luck news list. What a joke, dude. What an absolute joke. Dude, look at Target. Target's on fire. What did I tell you guys? When I close Microsoft, it's always a buy signal. Actually, come to think of it, I think that's the first time I've taken a loss on Microsoft. Like all year. I think that was my first loss on Microsoft all year. Yeah, Evo is just nothing I can do about it, you know what I mean? Like what do I do? Who do I need to talk to? The fucking universe is against me when it comes to news, man. It's almost back to my fucking strike price too. Look at how disgusting that is. My strike is 217.50. It's almost there. That's rough, man. That is rough. Hey, we're green on the day, boys. We are fucking green on the day.
Nice.
And that's after closing Facebook and Microsoft. If I still held those, we'd be very green. Especially with this bullshit news that just came out. What a joke, dude. I'm gonna add that to my here. Let me tweet it right now. I'm gonna add it to my list. I've got a running list on Twitter of me getting bent over by news.
I got Microsoft mooning.
Yeah, it's a fucking joke, dude. Where's my news list? Let me find it. What was that? What was that news? It was like a government contract. All right, I added it. I added it to my my list. It's not the problem of me missing news. It's the problem of news coming out when I'm in trades that hurts me, or it comes out after I close trades and it helps me. There's nothing that I can do to fix that. I don't care, man. I'm green on the day. I don't give a fuck. That's my mentality. Man, Neo is up almost 20%, up 16% from the lows. Incredible. Look at UNG, man, getting ready to go again. What did I say with VIX? You could get to 28. Those contracts were a penny. How much are they now? Are they still a penny? They're still a penny. If you bought the 30s though, the ones that were at the money at the time, that's typically what I do. I buy at the money when I trade VIX. They were around 15 cents. Now they are 90. Pretty big gain. Let me ask this again. Who's green on the day? Earlier it was nobody. Maybe a couple people. Caesar. I think who else said they were green? Now a couple of people are probably green. This strong reversal. If you're in Apple, you're definitely making money. Tesla's making money. Neo's back. XLF, UNG. Look at Bank of America called it out this morning. Or not this morning, probably about lunchtime. 2 hours ago or so. Are you up 5%, Connor? Or down 5%? Nice, nice. Yeah, a lot better than yesterday for sure. Very nice. Today was where the buy the dip mentality came into effect. Yesterday you got wrecked. Today it worked out. Anybody buy the dip on Tesla? About even between yesterday and today. That's not bad though, man. Making back the loss from yesterday. That's basically what I'm doing. Trying to make back the loss. Yeah, the Tuesday curse. I think Tuesday was actually bullish this week. Went all cash yesterday and bought Q's puts at the beginning of the day. Nice. You bought some Tesla shares? Nice. Dude, honestly, we were talking about it earlier. Shares are not a bad idea, man. Like shares in Apple on that dip, that was not a terrible dip. I mean, Apple was pretty cheap. Down at 111. I mean, don't fall into that mentality of cheap because it's not really cheap. Pretty fucking extended. It's so funny now that they split because if you look back, it's like, oh, Apple was $30 back in 2015 because they split so many times. What was this? This was their 6th stock split. It was like 6 or 7 or some shit. You added on to Netflix, nice. I think that was the first split for Tesla, if I'm not mistaken. But Apple has split multiple times. We are fucking green on the day, dude. Can't believe it. We were so red this morning, guys. We were very red. Neo was killing us. Intel was killing us. We got back in the VIX trades and made some money. You were down 4K, now you're up 1.6. Nice, dude. That's a fucking turnaround. Neo's looking really good, man. Back trying to get back above the POC. Gets back above 1822. You should see 19 on Tuesday. High day on SPY. Qs are looking for high day. Look at VIX, dude. That 28 that I called out seems like it's actually going to happen end of day. Incredible. Dude, those 30, we could have took that trade so hard, man. The 30s were 15 cents, now they're $1.20. Almost 1,000% gain. Disgusting, dude. Absolutely disgusting.
Selling off pretty hard.
Yeah, VIX is getting killed. Man, that sucks. Sucks that I closed Facebook and Microsoft. I did the right thing. I'm not mad at myself. Just in hindsight, it sucks. You're up 60% on the 2850 puts. Nice, man. Yeah, they were dirt cheap. Oh, look at that. The 28s just went to 3 cents. If you bought them at $1, you're up to 300% already. Holy shit. Look at that, dude. You could have just turned 100 into 300. I thought about buying them at a penny, but that's just too degenerate, man. I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Look at them, dude. They're going at 4 cents now. You're up 400%. Any of you degenerates in here buy those for a penny? I know at least one of you guys did. Buy them at a penny, sell them for 4 pennies. That's what's called flipping, man. You did buy those for a penny? Nice. Weren't you doing that, Wayne? You were doing that on something. Wasn't it on Ameren or something? You bought them at like fucking 2 cents and sold them at 5 or some shit. You bought them for 3 cents? Oh, the 2850s, yeah.
I got 123 Apple for next week.
Dude, those 2850s you bought at 3 cents, they're going for 11. Dude, holy fuck this trade, man. We could have taken this. This is a juicy trade. Juicy, juicy trade. How's Intel looking? Intel's good. Neo's good. We're looking good, man. We're green. We're green on the day, and we've almost made back a decent chunk of the losses from yesterday, but we still have a long way to go for that. We'll try to make that back tomorrow. Or not, I keep saying tomorrow, Tuesday. Hey, Ron, what's going on, man? Fucking Microsoft news. Look at Facebook, too. Facebook's on fire. What's the Q's at? 285? What did I have the 280s for? I think it was this week. Or this Friday, I mean. Well, technically next Friday. Let me see. I had September 11th. I probably would have been okay holding those. A little risky, though. Little risky. They're almost break even. So I'd still be down a little bit if I held on to them. Almost break even. UNG stalling out a little bit. XLF still climbing. Ameren's actually trying to climb, which is funny. Neo's on fire, man. Anybody who bought the dip on Neo, especially naked calls, holy shit. If you bought naked down here, you're up like 100% easy. Hitting a pivot on Intel. You added to Neo, nice, Calvin. Yeah, sadly I missed that. Really good ad though for you guys who added. Nice, Jason. Take what you can get, man. Take what you can get. Nice, Jazz. What were you trading? You trading VIX or something? Nice, USLT. 2200 on the day. Not bad. Good job, SR. Yeah, today was all about recovery, man. Trying to make back the losses.
Apple just mooning.
Hey, Gars, I appreciate that, man. But I wanted to say a big thank you for these live streams. I trade stocks, so I can't take advantage of your paid membership. But I really love these live streams. They're entertaining and informative. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, I don't plan on ever stopping the live streams. Well, not anytime soon, obviously. I've been streaming since January 2018, so we're coming up on 3 years almost. And I've been streaming damn near every day. I took a long break. I think it was last year. I took like a 3-month break. That was like the longest break I've taken since we started. But basically, since I don't know, when did I start this year? I think I started around like February or March. We've been streaming almost every day, every market day at least. I've been slacking on my educational content on my YouTube, but it's mainly because I've covered damn near everything. Like, there's not many topics in that I use like every day, like technical analysis wise, that I haven't covered. My how to trade playlist has basically every technique that I use. Um, I'll think of some more content. I've got a lot of content in my Discord, which is going to be private for the Discord for a while. Once I feel it's necessary, I can move it to YouTube publicly. But for right now, it's private. It's most of our options stuff. But yeah, when it comes to technical analysis, I don't really have much more to talk about on my How to Trade series. Oh yeah, you're in Latvia, yeah, so it's going to be a big time difference. The biggest time difference I think we have is Rhino. I think he's in South Africa, so he has the. We had some Australians actually, so we had some Australians that were um, trying to trade with us, but it's like 6 a.m. for them, I believe. Oh no, that 6 a.m. is the closing time. When it closes, is at 6 a.m. Like I don't remember what it is in the morning. It would be like what 11 at night, 12 at night. Connor was asking where in Latvia are you from. He said his best friends from Latvia. Where is Latvia? That's like near Russia, isn't it?
Eastern Europe.
Eastern Europe. Yeah, maybe we'll literally hit 28. Those contracts are going for $4. They're up 400%. Yeah, gains are gains, Huss. Gains are gains. What did I say, guys? What was the first thing I said when I hopped on? That today would have been a good day to just not even open your fucking brokerage account. If I listened to myself and didn't open my account, I'd still be holding my Facebook and Microsoft, and they'd still be green.
I came back to my computer and Robinhood automatically not exercised, but what the hell? I had 411s and 413s, and they like sold it way too early on. I don't know what happened.
Oh, they basically like margin called you.
Yeah. Holy shit, they're up right now.
Yeah, Connor said Riga. You said I'm from Jermala. I think I said that right. Jermala is what he said, Connor.
Kamala?
Best trading strategy: don't open the brokerage account on red days. I wonder how you would do if you only took trades in like the last 30 minutes of the day. You never opened up your account until the last 30 minutes of the next day. And that's like the only time you could look at the market. That'd be an interesting experiment. You get 30 minutes a day to trade. Yep, Facebook is back above our strike price. Microsoft is about to tick above it. Yep, there you go. So both of them would be above my strike, and then Q's is still above my strike. I had the 280s. We'll see how it performs on Tuesday when the weekend's over. I'm still holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are green today. One of them is break even, 3 are red. What I was telling you guys about earlier this morning when I was scalping VIX, and I told you this why I was scalping VIX, so look at this. You could have done the same exact thing. You could have scalped VIX with the same strategy, just inverse. But look at these charts. See how it's uptrending beautifully? You could have shorted VIX when you saw that. And that's basically when I was calling out the VIX could hit 28. That's one of the main reasons why I was calling it out. The one thing that I was literally looking at grabbing those contracts. The one thing that made me not grab it was the sell volume. The sell volume was very weak. If you look at this little sell-off here on VIX, it has very low volume compared to that buy-up. That's the only reason I did not short VIX there. In hindsight, that didn't really matter. The volume was low because it was a pullback. You had a little bit of a pullback there, volume was low, nuked downward. Yeah, if you guys have extra monitor space, I recommend throwing the 1 minute Qs, 1 minute SPY, throw some moving averages on there so you can keep an eye on kind of what the market's doing at all times. I keep that on my ultra wide monitor all day basically. When you're day trading, you want to be day trading in the same direction of the market. If you day trade against the market, you're very likely going to lose, unless you're day trading like a catalyst, like something that's moving away from the market. Yeah, man, we still have 30 minutes left. You might honestly hit 28. What did I say? I said it was like a 10% drop, and I was like, there's no fucking way it does that today. Well, there was a fucking way, because it did it. That was a 10% drop, and it's almost there. Nice, SR. What'd you have, spy puts? Or the spy calls? Oh, those are calls. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Where's my cursor? Fuck. One downside to having a lot of monitors, man, you lose your cursor. Bank of America is looking really good, man. It's up 4% today. Yeah, look at Bank of America breaking out of this little consolidation back above the pivot. Very strong pin bar. Looks solid. Keep an eye on the banks next week. Keep an eye on the banks. But I think Tesla had the best dip buy, followed by Apple, and then obviously Neo. I think Neo had the best. If we're talking percentage wise, Tesla is actually green today. VIX is starting to climb again, so be careful. Any sign of bouncing on VIX will kill those contracts. If you're still holding those 28s, 2850s, you need to close them on a move down. Because any bounce will kill them. Yeah, Evo, it is really funny. She told the reporters, I'm gonna leave this up on loop while we answer questions. Yeah, it sucks, SR, man. The dips are rough, man. It's hard to trade them perfectly. Intel's failing that pivot. AMD had a pretty nasty dip. Yeah, bounced about 10%, dude. Look at these companies. These fucking dips are dirty, guys. 10% wicks. Insane. You buy anything today, Castro? Yeah, how big of a wick was Tesla? 14, 15%. Holy shit. Look at the bottom on Tesla too. If you guys have the OTS turned on. If you would have bought that pivot, you would have bought the bottom. If you guys had the OTS turned on your 15-minute charts, damn near every bottom on the big tech stocks was called by the OTS pivots. Castro, you have to turn your push talk back on? Any of you guys who were hanging out with us yesterday, will have to fix your push talk. All right, let's keep it on. Let's keep it on SPY. Stop clicking around so much. What happened, SR? You bought some calls and you closed them really quickly? Gotcha. You got a little scared and then closed them. It was pretty fucking scary this morning, man. Pumped up, teased us a little bit, and then nuked.
Yeah, I got in on Apple 123 for next Friday.
On the dip.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, on its way back up, not exactly on the dip, but once it put in a new high of the day around 120, I got back into it. I figured 123 is doable by next Friday.
Fed's pal said the economy will need low interest rates for years, forever. Or sorry, no, sorry, for years. The guy commented forever. JP saying we need low interest rates for a long time. Basically saying the economy's in bad shape. Buy coming back down. They don't like what JP just said. I mean, you'd think that'd be bullish. Low interest rates for a long time, but it basically means the economy's in bad shape. VIX, what did VIX bottom at? Bottomed at 28.54. Need Intel to get back above 51. If it holds above 51, it should have a strong week next week. Holy fuck, you guys remember that big C company we were talking about? It's up 11% today. Neo looking strong, man. Neo looks like he wants to have a good week. CCL getting more block trades. eBay got a block trade too. Big block trades. Oh damn, that eBay block trade, that was an old one, and it called out a fucking big move. Look at this move on eBay. That arrow is where the block trade called it out. Pretty nice move. XLF got a block trade. Oxy got a block trade. Those are just coming in right now. HYG, high yield corporate bond ETF, getting a lot of block trades. Big size too. They are bullish. People are betting on corporate bonds right here. Interesting. Apple got a block trade, no direction. Discovery got a block trade. Looks like it's running too. Look at Discovery. Disca. Yeah, look at Discovery. Thing's on fire. Strong daily too. Kind of ranging, but it's starting to break out of the range. putting in higher lows, holding the pivot. Doesn't look too bad. Keep an eye on this for next week. Discovery Bank. Banking sector does look good. XONE getting massive volume. Not sure what this is. Looks like a dog shit penny stock. You guys like playing earnings? Big C, FDX, Chewy, and Peloton. They're all doing really good today with earnings within a week. CCL still getting a lot of options. You have almost 200,000 options coming in and calls coming in on CCL today. People are still betting on the cruise lines. Maybe it's their time to shine, man. Back from the dead. Yeah, look at CCL, man. It's on fire. Big volume coming in, too. Coming into earnings. Into the month. Work is getting a lot of options. Peloton getting a lot of options. AVGO as well. They're also getting a lot of puts, though. There's nothing really getting a big put to call ratio. 300,000 calls coming in on UVXYs. People are betting on volatility. 300,000 calls coming in on SQs, which is short NASDAQ. Why is work getting a lot of calls? Do they have earnings coming up? Yeah, they do have earnings coming up. That's why. Look at that falling wedge on work. We called it out like 2 weeks ago. Played beautifully. Gave you a 22% trade. Now you're coming back to retest it. CFDs are banned in the United States. They're contracts for difference. They're not as clean as options. They're like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a dog shit version of options. Usually like low tier brokers offer CFDs. They're banned in the US. So they're only in Europe. eToro. I don't know really anything about eToro. Didn't they have a scam back in the day? Is that the right one I'm thinking about? Have you guys heard about eToro in the Discord? I thought they like scammed people back in the day. Oh no, never mind. Yeah, I think that's something else. I've never traded on eToro, so I'm not sure. I think that is more of a European site. That's one of those social trading sites where you can like follow people, isn't it? Yeah, it's a copy trader site. They've been pushing crypto a lot. Okay, so they are bad. You're saying they do scam people. They open trading much later if stock had a good run pre-market. They don't allow you to buy and log in if price is getting really good. That's what somebody's saying in the YouTube chat. I'm not too sure, man. You'd have to look into it. Sometimes they don't allow people to sell losing positions. Sounds pretty shady. Any thoughts on banks? I like banks, man. I'm long XLF right now. I think XLF is good. I think XLF is looking good. Bank of America, Discovery, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs.
SR, am I looking at 7K worth of gains right now?
It's misleading, man. I said that like it's I was down a ton, and so I just made that move to get up as close to even as I could.
Gotcha. That's still impressive though, regardless.
Yeah, I'm still pissed because I I paper handed the other option.
Five minutes until close, guys. Remember, Monday is a holiday, so you are holding over the weekend plus Monday. If you are holding any positions, that means more theta burn.
Deja, how bad would the theta burn be, like for an option that's expiring on Monday,
You mean Tuesday?
Tuesday?
What you mean, like for like SPY or Qs?
Yep.
It'd probably be pretty bad. You'd probably lose like 50% if you bought it. Like if it opens at the same price, you'll probably lose like 50%.
So it's not even worth it.
No, probably not. I don't even think you can you? Does SPY have Tuesday expiration?
Yeah, it's got 9.8.
The theta on those is like $25 a pop a day. So that's about, if you took the at the monies, like 343s, it'd be 25, 25, 25. Yeah, so you'd lose about 50% if it stays the same price.
Yeah, I'm gonna take some tech. I don't think I'm gonna take SPY.
Yeah, if it goes up on Tuesday, the theta will probably be counteracted a little bit, but you'll have to be in the money by, or close to in the money, by a dollar or two maybe. It's hard to guesstimate it over the weekend because it's supposed to be priced in on Monday and Friday, right? But it doesn't typically do it. Damn, Wayne. I was asking about you earlier. Now I know why you were gone. Fucking slaying the markets up 111% today. Jesus Christ. Came back with a vengeance. What were you trading? Day trades on VIX and Tesla? Nice. I was doing the same thing, Wayne. I was doing same day on VIX and then 1 week out on VIX. And we made a good amount of money on those. Oh shit, Cash, I didn't even check, man. I'll check after stream, I'll let you know. I think it was a couple days, to be honest. It was really fast. Nice round. Did you just pick those up today?
Yeah, I picked it up like a couple minutes before that news about Walmart came out, so it helped me a little bit.
What was the news?
Let me post it again.
Hey, Emiliano, I'm doing all right, man. I'm green on the day. We made back our losses. Sadly, I cut some trades that would still be profitable, so we would be very green. But overall, I'm green on the day, so that's good. I'll take it. Had some killer day trades on VIX, which helped us make back our losses and make some more money. Just got to slowly recover the losses from yesterday. We lost about 8 to 10% of our account yesterday. We've made back a decent amount of that, but we still got to make back about probably 5% or so. Oh, I did see that. Yeah. All right, guys.
Yeah, man.
Getting ready to close. Very good.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about Walmart. There's just so many catalysts. I'm very confident.
Yeah, they held support nicely, 140.61. There you go. There's the bell. We closed the day green. Holy shit. Did not see that coming. Green or red on the day, guys. Green or red on the day. I'm guessing most of you guys are going to be red. Okay, we got a decent amount of people green. Not bad. Yeah, I started off big red today too, SR. I'm glad I didn't do what I did yesterday. I got complacent yesterday, and I didn't feel like day trading VIX. We could have made a killing on VIX yesterday. Same thing.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here for a little bit.
Have a good one, man. We'll see you on Tuesday.
Deja, what time is the
The stream, I'm probably gonna do it because we're doing our drafts at like 4 p.m. and then 6 p.m. I'm gonna try to do the stream probably around like 1 p.m. 1 p.m.
Oh,
Eastern.
I was asking about the draft, but what stream is this for?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're doing a private stream tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna be talking about how to build credit spreads, debit spreads, diagonal spreads, calendar spreads, all those like fancy trades we've been doing the past couple weeks. I'm gonna be doing that stream tomorrow.
Fortunately, I can't do this on Weeble, but I'll join anyway just to learn.
Yeah. Yeah, Connor. So it's Connor's last day, I think. So say your goodbyes to Connor. He'll probably come back every now and then, say what's up. Appreciate you being here, Connor. We'll see you in the fantasy league. But all right, guys, I'm gonna call it. You guys have a good weekend. I'll be seeing you guys on. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the stream. After the stream, I'll see you guys during our drafts. If you guys want to hang out and voice chat while we're doing our drafts, feel free. I'll be hanging out. And then Sunday, I'll be releasing the videos for the watch list and the summary of markets as always. And then yeah, I'll see you guys on Tuesday for the live trading. You guys have a good weekend, man. Have a happy holiday. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Peace.
Peace out.